A column chart displays data using vertical bars, where the height of each bar represents the value of the data point. It is ideal for comparing individual values across categories. A clustered column chart groups multiple bars side by side for each category, allowing comparison of subcategories within each main category. It is useful for comparing multiple data series across the same categories. In a stacked column chart, data series are stacked on top of each other in a single column per category, showing the total while also highlighting the contribution of each subcategory. It's helpful for analyzing part-to-whole relationships over categories. Let's look at how to create and format each of these charts. To create basic column chart, we select Clustered Column Chart from Visuals pane. Drag and drop region onto X-axis and sales onto Y-axis. Our column chart is ready. Now let's format our column chart. You can format as per your Now let's create Clustered Column Chart. Select the Clustered Column Chart from Visuals pane. Select the same labels we did for column chart. Region to X-axis and sales to Y-axis, but here we will add Category to Legends tab to show clustered columns. As simple as that. Our Clustered Column Chart is ready. Let's format our chart. Our Clustered Column Chart is ready. Let's see how to create Stacked Column Chart. Select Stacked Column Chart from Visual pane. We drag and drop same labels and values like we did for Clustered Column. Region to X-axis, sales to y-axis and category to legends. Here our category labels are stacked on top of each other. That's how you create a stacked column chart. Let's head over to Formatting section now.